So friends, today we'll be discussing about OG ring. Now this is the boiler shell plating, this is the OG ring, and this is the bottom of the furnace. So what this OG ring does is that it connects, actually this OG ring will connect the bottom of the furnace, this is the bottom of the furnace, to the boiler shell plating. Okay, and now this is the telltale hole. Now this telltale hole is actually circumferentially divided. There are three numbers of telltale hole. This telltale hole, there are three numbers, and which is circumferentially divided. One is here, one is here, and one is here at 120 degree each. It is divided circumferentially around this OG ring and the boiler shell plating. Now the purpose is actually that here there is no circulation. There is in this OG ring region, there is no circulation of boiler water. Means the boiler water circulation is very poor here in this area. So what happens here is there is a formation of scale or deposits form here. So the rate of heat transfer is actually being hampered here. So we are actually here the refractory material must be of a very good condition. So here actually what kind of refractory material we are using is the silicon carbide refractory material. This is the silicon carbide refractory material we are using in this region especially. So, and this is the bottom of the furnace. Okay friends, now the purpose of telltale hole. Now what happened, this telltale hole is drilled at equal circumferential intervals in boiler shell. Now the purpose is to detect the leakage between OG ring and the shell plating. This is the OG ring and the shell plating. If any leakage is there, this is going to detect. So and also there is, because of the very poor circulation of boiler water in this region, scale formation is there, so heat transfer is hampered, and the refractory material has to be in good condition. So these are the important things we should know about the OG ring. The refractory material is of silicon carbide. Is that the OG ring actually it will take the vertical load of the furnace. This is the furnace. The vertical load of the furnace will be taken by this OG ring.